If you're looking for the most moist zucchini bread you've ever tasted, this is it. Today I'll be showing you how to make zucchini bread using date syrup for a rich, natural, sweet flavor. Let's get started. So the first thing we'll be doing is prepping our pan. We're going to want to butter our pan very well, then add some parchment paper, just like what I'm doing. And this is just for easy removal of the bread when it's done baking. If you don't have parchment paper, it is just fine. Just grease your pan very well. These are the list of the ingredients, and they will be listed in the description box down below. So the first thing we want to do is mix our dry ingredients together. So here we are going to add to the flour some salt, baking powder, and some baking soda. Then we are going to add some cinnamon powder. Whisk everything well just to aerate the flour. No sifting is needed here. When that is done, you are going to set that aside and move on to another clean bowl. Here we're going to add some eggs. Then you can add any oil of your choice. I'm using canola. Then I'm adding some date syrup. As I mentioned, you can use straight up date syrup or straight up sugar. So I'm using mostly date syrup and some sugar. Add some vanilla extract and use your hand and whisk this together. Oh, this was getting my arm very tired, so I just grabbed the mixer and I mix it in very well and quickly. But for the next step, you may want to use your hand or switch the tool you attach to your mixer. All right, so now you are going to grate your zucchini very well and set that aside. To the batter, you're going to add your flour. Use your hand and whisk it in very well. It's going to get tight, but it's right, so keep going. It's going to look something like this. Then you are going to add your zucchini. Use a spatula and fold everything in well and make sure it is well coated. You can keep your zucchini bread classic, that is up to you, or you can add some nuts, chocolate chips, some raisins, or cranberries. I choose to use some cranberries and some raisins. All right, as you can see, our pan is ready. And I'm seeing our batter is a little more than what I expected, but I'm also going to pour some in the muffin pan as well. So pour that in. I make sure to grease my muffin pan as well very well. Bake this in a 350 degrees oven for about 55 minutes. Bake your muffins for about 30 to 35 minutes. And that's it, guys. Absolutely delicious, healthy, and super moist. I can't wait for y'all to make this one. Look at this zucchini bread. The date syrup adds this caramelization, this sweetness, and it is so soft. I can't wait for y'all to try it. All right, if y'all have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, guys. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Drop me a comment and let me know what you guys want to see me cook next. Thank you all so much, and I see you all on the next video. Do enjoy this recipe. Bye-bye.